Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Stock number is CP15626T. It's a black in color. Seems to have new tires on it. It's got a black cloth interior. Really nice vehicle. There's your radio, your hands-free, your cruise control, your calling, the menu. Here's the back seat. Got a cup holder there. Same size spare on the back here. Here's the back for you. Additional speaker here for sound. All around, this is a really nice vehicle, folks. This is going to come with our certified pre-owned warranty. Again, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Stock number is CP15626T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com. You can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.